The Middle East, with its rapidly growing customer base and expanding marketplaces, offers a unique opportunity to tap into a thriving regional market. By selling on Amazon in the Middle East, you gain access to millions of potential customers across the UAE, Saudi Arabia, and other countries in the region. 4 things you need to know before you get started selling on Amazon in the Middle East. Amazon Middle East provides a trusted and user-friendly platform that allows you to showcase your products, handle payments, and manage logistics with ease. But there are a few key factors to consider before you get started selling on Amazon in the Middle East. How fast is e-commerce expanding in the Middle East? What are the top categories and products that you should be selling on Amazon in the Middle East? And can you sell from Amazon UAE to other Amazon marketplaces? As an example, can you sell from Amazon UAE over to Amazon.com? And finally, what is the ideal bank account that you should be using as an Amazon seller in the Middle East or in any other market? So let's get started with question number 1. Why should you be selling in the Middle East? The Middle East is one of the fastest growing e-commerce markets in the world. Not only that, the expectation of e-commerce sales in 2025 is set to hit 27 billion US dollars, up from just 17 billion in 2020. So an increase of $10 billion in just 5 years. It's very important to understand the reasons why e-commerce is expanding in the Middle East at such a rapid pace. And one of the main reasons is internet. Absolutely everyone in the Middle East uses internet, and studies show that internet penetration is at almost 100% in the Middle East market. Not only that, customers or shoppers living in the Middle East, 80% of people shop online, whether that be on Amazon or on e-commerce websites or even on Instagram, but people are used to purchasing things online. Now, question number 2, what are the top categories for e-commerce sellers in the Middle East, whether you want to sell on Amazon or if you want to sell on any other platform, including your own website? It's very important to know this information. And top categories that are currently selling in the Middle East: fashion at 38%, electronics at 19%, and toys at 15%. Now, if you're not selling fashion, electronics, or toys, that doesn't mean that you shouldn't be selling your product. Of course, everything sells online. You just need to ensure that your product is in demand based on the marketplace that you're selling. And if you're selling on Amazon, it's quite easy to figure out how many people are searching for your product. And it's very convenient because Amazon has so many tools that you can use in order to understand some things like search volume, demand on the website, so that you can select the right product to sell. And by the way, one of the fastest growing consumer trends of purchasing products online in the Middle East is groceries. People are buying groceries, whether on applications like Talabat or even on Amazon and Noon, at an astronomical pace. And if you are somebody that's interested in selling those types of products, then you need to know that there's a lot of competition, but also a lot of customers purchasing their groceries on an everyday basis online. The demand for online grocery shopping is increasing in the Middle East, with 73% of regional consumers likely to shop online, versus 58% last year and 50% globally. Number 3, this is one of the most common questions that I get anywhere, everywhere, on Instagram, right here on YouTube. And it's always asking whether or not you can sell from Amazon UAE directly to Amazon.com, as an example. Or if you are an Amazon UAE seller and your products are stored in the Amazon FBA warehouse here in the UAE, can you sell those products on maybe Amazon Saudi Arabia and get Amazon to ship your products from the warehouse here directly over to KSA? And the answer is simply no. It's a little bit more complicated than that, but it is an actual no, just because the accounts in the Middle East are not unified. See, Amazon operates a little bit differently. Even though Amazon currently has over 20 different markets, however, not all of these markets are unified. As you can see, Amazon US, Canada, and Mexico are unified under the Amazon US account, whereas Amazon UAE, KSA, as well as Egypt are not unified under one account and thus cannot be linked with any other marketplace. And finally, let's talk about bank accounts. The cool thing about Amazon is that you can add your whatever deposit method you want, whether that be a bank account, an online bank account, it doesn't really matter. You can also use somebody else's bank account, meaning if you want Amazon to send your money over to somebody else's bank account, then that's your option because this is your money and this is your deposit method. However, one of the best deposit methods for you to use in order not to lose any conversion rate and to easily be able to sell cross-border in different markets is Payoneer. Payoneer is a global payment platform that provides online money transfer and digital payment services. Founded in 2005, Payoneer enables businesses and individuals to send and receive payments worldwide in multiple currencies. And the platform offers a range of financial services, including cross-border payments, virtual bank accounts, prepaid MasterCards, and global payment solutions. And did I mention that the Payoneer account is free to open? I myself am the Payoneer brand ambassador in the GCC, and I have a special link for you. If you sign up to Payoneer and open an account, which is, by the way, free, then you get some additional gifts on top of what other things Payoneer offers you. So you'll find the link in the description box of this video. Now, if you still have not opened your Amazon UAE or KSA account, I'm not sure what you're waiting for, but you need to watch this video right here where I explain to you exactly how to open an account, what documents you need. Go ahead and watch it right now, and I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.